How do the attorneys at R&R Law Group prevent people from pleading guilty to DUI charges? Attorney Robert Gruler explains that. First of all, we try to make sure that people are in a good frame of mind. When people get charged with DUI, it's a very traumatic experience for them. They go through a battery of field sobriety tests, or they get stuck in the arm to get blood drawn. They get yelled at by police officers. They are upset when they come into our office. They do feel like things are hopeless, like there is nothing else that they can do. First of all, I like to tell them that it's not their fault. It was a mistake that happened, and they are going to get through it. We try to make sure that people understand that there are people who care about making sure that they get through this process in one piece. Another thing that we tell people to do is to stop Googling. Get off the internet. Stop trying to read everything and digest everything, because there is really a lot of bad information out there, and there are a lot of attorneys who don't know what they are doing in terms of representing people for DUI. There are many horror stories of people who have hired lawyers and not had good outcomes with their court case because they hired somebody who didn't know what they were doing. There is no point in somebody trying to hop on the internet and try to decipher every little thing that they can find about it. They're just going to work themselves up into a fearful state. What we like to do is walk them through the process, give an explanation of what's going to happen over the next 4 to 6 months, and then break it up piece by piece so that we can explain to them how the case is going to work in different phases so they are not completely overwhelmed with the whole process. They can turn it over to us, and we are going to walk them through it. It is a traumatic experience for our clients, and we certainly want them to understand that our entire team is focused on their well-being in getting them through this and ultimately getting the charges reduced to the absolute greatest extent possible. Contact the R&R Law Group in Scottsdale, Arizona at 480-400-1355 or visit their website at www.rrlawaz.com.